Recently, Chinese Army published a new video showing a brand new type of marksman rifle is being deployed. This new squad support rifle is a member of the QBU-191 rifle family, first revealed 3 years ago. It is reported the new marksman rifle might be called QBU-191. The new marksman rifle is likely to replace QBU-88 sniper rifle. And it shares up to 90% parts with a QBU-191 rifle, reducing the complexity of fielding a squad high-accuracy weapon. The marksman rifle will work together with carbine, standard rifle, and possibly a light machine gun of the QBU-191 family. However, newly designed QJS-161 squad machine gun is reported to be deployed soon, therefore it is unlikely a QBU-191 machine gun will enter mass production. The QBU-191 can also be called a precision shooter rifle, a squad support weapon, or just marksman rifle. It is clear that Chinese Army is learning from Russian and American experience and decided to give squad member a mostly standard rifle with better range and accuracy, suppressing enemy at distance or hideouts, and defeat some high-value targets. Chinese Army had deployed small amount of Type 85 sniper rifle, which is Chinese-made Soviet Dragunov sniper rifle. But when the next generation QBU-88 rifle was given to the troops, many were surprised that the new rifle has very disappointing accuracy, worse than the decades-old 85 rifle. The QBU-191 marksman rifle is going to change this, and in a way it will become the first ever true Chinese squad marksman rifle. This will help Chinese Army squad to reach a new stage of sophistication, with a squad equipped with standard rifle, at least one marksman rifle, plus a new machine gun similar to American M249. The new rifle will address the issue of poor accuracy of the QBU-88 and the weight and length problem of the Type 85. The rifle will be ideal for mechanized infantry, mainly light and armor vehicles, with overall length similar to a standard rifle. The QBU-191 marksman rifle is chambered for Chinese 5.8x 42mm ammunition, the same ammunition as standard 191 rifle. A new precision ammunition is likely to follow. A fire mode selector is located above the pistol grip. This rifle retains full auto capability, fed from detachable 30-round magazines. A Picatinny type rail covers the top, various scopes and night vision sights can be mounted. Effective range is believed to be 800 meters. There are backup iron sights. This rifle has the same telescopic stock that is adjustable in 4 stages. Same as standard 191 rifle, the marksman rifle has a front grip, supports various accessories such as bipods, lasers, flashlights, even a combat video recorder. Some believe that the QBU-191 indicates that Chinese Army infantry tactics are getting closer to that of the US Army. The US Army, especially the US Marine Corps, has adopted the idea of precision shooter in the Iraq War, with various marksman rifles deployed to frontline. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe, share and comment. It will really help us developing this channel and bring you more videos about Chinese military news. Thank you.